Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss the best music board for Discord server. So if you like listening to the music while you're using Discord, then I'll show you what board you can add to your Discord server and it will play the music of your choice as well. So first you have to simply go to the browser and log in with your Discord account. And once you have logged in, make sure you own a server because you can only add the board in the server that you own. So make sure you already have your own server. Now there are plenty of different boards, but I'll show you the best one. So the board that I have been using is this one, which is the green board. It works the best and I'll show you how you can just simply use it and how you can command it to play your favorite music. Like here I'm giving it a command and you will see it will play the music. So you can actually try it out as well. So you can see it is playing the music, and you can also give it different commands, like you can pause it, you can stop it, and you can also replay the music that you have previously played. So if you want to try it out, then what you have to do is that you have to go to the server where the board is not added. Then you have to click on to your server's name, which is on the left side of the screen. Now from there you have to click onto this server settings. Once you click onto it, then on the left side you will see all these options. From all these options you have to choose the apps, and within apps you have to select the app directory. Click onto this option and on the search bar just simply search for green board. Once you tap onto it, you will get different results. From all these results you have to choose this first one, which is the green board. You can check out all its details, like how many people have joined it. So once you're okay with all these things, you can just simply click on add app option. Then it will just take a while and will choose you which server you would like to add in. You can choose, click on continue, then give it permission to all these things and click on authorize. Then it will just take a while and after that it will be added. Then you can just simply go back to your server. Once you get back, you will see this message that means the bot has been added. Now, if you want to give it a command, it is really simple, but first you have to join its voice. So first, if you have joined its voice chat, then you have to simply give it a command. Now to give it a command, what you have to do is you have to click on to your chat section where we do the chat, and you have to first press the forward slash, and after that you have to type play and choose this first command, which is query, and then just simply type the name of music. If you want to add details by which vocalist, which artist, you can do it because there are plenty of musics with the same name, so it may not show you the exact one you're looking for. So in that case, if you have the name of the artist or any other details, you can just simply type it here. Otherwise, if the name is too much unique, you can just simply type it here, and after that it will just say that your request is in queue, and then the song will start playing. So you can just simply listen to the music, and if you want to pause it, stop it, you can do it. If you have played multiple music, you can click on the previous one and the previous music will start playing, and you can see the other options as well. If you want to play another music, again press the forward slash, then select this play query command and just simply type the name of your music. You can add just the name or other details like artist, because many music have the same name and they are by different artists, so you may not get the song that you're specifically looking for. In that case, you can just simply type the name, and after that it will first take it in the queue, and after that it will play. And there are also chances if the song name is incorrect, or maybe there's no sync with that same name or details, then it may show you that it couldn't find the music from the music world or maybe whatever source it is using. So you have to also keep that in mind. But if that happens, you can give it a new command and it will work onto it. You can give it as much commands as you would like to. It would not cost you anything. You can just simply keep playing different musics of your choice. You can also pause it, stop it if you don't like it. Once this gets added to your server, then you can also use it through your mobile phone device, and it will work the same way as it is working on the web version. So that's all. This is the best board for music, which is a green board. You can just simply add it for free and you can use it to play music on your Discord server. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. Leave a like, comment if you have any queries. Feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.